So Charles Schwab just announced that they're going to be splitting their popular ETFs SCHD and SCHG, and about 18 other ones. So if you own any of these, your portfolio is about to look a little different. Let's break it down. First, what is a stock split? Well, imagine you have a whole pizza, but you want to share it with more people. Instead of ordering another pizza, you slice the one you have into more pieces. You still have the same amount of pizza, but now there are more slices. In a stock split, the value of the company or ETF doesn't change, but the number of shares increases while the price per share decreases. So let's talk specifics. Starting with SCHD, effective after markets close on October 10th, 2024, SCHD will undergo a 3-for-1 stock split. So if you own 1 share, you'll now own 3. The split will apply to shareholders of record as of October 9th, 2024, with shares starting to trade at their new price on October 11th. For SCHG, you'll have a 4-for-1 split, meaning for every 1 share, you'll now have 4. Again, the overall value of your holdings won't change, but you'll have more shares at a lower price. So what does this mean for dividends? Well, with stock splits, dividends are likely to split as well. If you are used to receiving a dividend on your shares, the payment per share will likely decrease after the split. But since you'll own more shares, the total dividend payout should remain the same. But if the total value of the investment doesn't change, why bother with a split? This is where the psychology of stock splits comes in. Imagine seeing a stock trading at $100 per share. That's a significant amount for just 1 share. But after the 3-for-1 split, the price drops to around $33 per share. That makes it feel more affordable to new investors. This perceived lower price can attract more buyers, and when more people are buying, demand goes up, and so can the stock price. So even though nothing changes on paper, stock splits often bring more attention and more investors to the table. Here's another benefit. If you like to sell covered calls, a stock split could help you reach 100 shares much faster. Why does that matter? Well, when you own 100 shares of a stock or ETF, you can sell covered calls, which is a popular strategy to generate extra income from your holdings. So with a 3-for-1 or a 4-for-1 split, you'll have more shares, bringing you closer to that magic number of 100 shares for covered call selling. In the end, a stock split is like getting more slices from the same pizza. Your total investment doesn't change, but now you have more pieces to work with. Whether it's attracting new investors or getting you closer to selling covered calls, there are some real benefits. So how will you take advantage of this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.